Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Marketo brand templates for consistent lead nurture graphics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Marketo account. Navigate to the Design Studio section in the main menu. Select the Templates option from the sidebar. Click on New to create a new email or landing page template. Choose the type of template you want to create, either email or landing page. Select the predefined layout that fits your brand's needs. Add essential branding elements such as your logo and company colors. Incorporate consistent fonts that align with your brand guidelines. Create sections for content that can be easily swapped out for different campaigns. Implement a call to action button that is prominent and eye-catching. Ensure images used in the template are of high quality and relevant. Test the responsiveness of the template across different devices. Set default styles for text, buttons, and links to maintain consistency. Save your template with a clear, descriptive name for easy identification. Preview the template to ensure all elements display correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied, click Save to finalize the template. Move on to create additional templates as needed for various campaigns. Organize your templates in folders for easy access and management. Share the template with your marketing team for feedback and additional input. Document the customization options available for each template to streamline future edits. Set up a review process to ensure all templates maintain brand consistency. Once the templates are approved, begin using them in your lead nurture campaigns. Monitor the performance of the campaigns to gather insights for future improvements. Adjust your templates based on performance data and team feedback to enhance effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech